Mm, I recommend these. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. They are really tasty. Taste just like a crab cake. 10 out of 10. All right, guys, there you have it. Vegetarian crab burgers. And you can garnish it with whatever you like. Okay, guys. So today I am making a vegan crab cake. And they're going to be made with mushrooms. I have some maitake, king oyster, pearl, and oyster mushrooms. And they say usually shiitake or oyster is better for crab texture, but this is what I have, and this is my first time trying, so we're going to try to make it with these. So I have washed them now and cleaned them up pretty well. So I'm going to start shredding them. And they do not have to be like the same size or the same length. You see, doesn't that look just like a piece of meat there? I can. I think these are the oyster uh, mushrooms, and that's why it looks so meaty. But you just want to pull them apart, shred it apart. Okay, so I'm gonna finish shredding these, and I'll be back once I finish. Okay, guys, so here is the meat. Doesn't that look just like meat texture? So we are going to get everything seasoned just as you do crab cakes. Whatever you put in your crab cakes. So guys, before we get them seasoned, you should get the moisture out of them because mushrooms carry a lot of moisture and you want to try to get the moisture as much as you can out of here. Okay, guys, so this is what we have after we let the moisture come out of it, most of it at least. And now we're going to season. So these are the seasonings I'm using. It's going to be garlic, Obey seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, that'll be your sauce, some yellow mustard. I do not have mayo because we really don't eat mayo in here, but I do have some garlic ranch dressing, and I'm going to use that instead. Onion powder, buttery garlic and herbs, some panko breadcrumbs, some lemon juice, and of course an egg. And we will be putting some butter in there. So those are the seasonings. All right, so let's get to seasoning here. Some Obey, lots of Obey, lots of Obey. Some onion powder. Buttery herbs and garlic. Some more fresh garlic, minced garlic. Some mustard. I don't put a lot. Just enough. Some W sauce. Some of that garlicky ranch. Like I said, not a lot. I do not put a lot in there at all. a little lemon juice. We're going to crack that egg into here. And we're going to put in the breadcrumbs. I'm using panko, but you can use regular breadcrumbs if you want. But I'm using panko breadcrumbs. We're going to give that a good mix up here. Here we go. I'm going to drop one. And then we're going to drop another. And there is our vegetarian crab cake. And I made some rolls. We're going to assemble them on. And you're just going to cook these about 3 minutes each side. All right, guys, there you have it. Our vegetarian crab burgers. And you can garnish it with whatever you like.